Hi Suresh.
Hi Hansa, could you please come into my cabin? I have something to discuss about your work.
Yes, sure. I'll be there in a minute.
Fine.
Excuse me, Suresh, may I come in?
Hi Hansa, good morning. Have a seat.
Thank you.
I have something to say about your performance. I must say, I am really impressed by the quality of your work. This is exactly what we expected from CATP 4.0. Great job. Continue with the passionate
Suresh,
work.
thank you very much. CATP 4.0 helped me a lot in transforming myself from a student to a professional.
Hey, what happened yesterday? What did he say?
Suresh said that he's happy with my work. All credit goes to Cat 4.0.
That's great. Cat P 4.0. It was too nice.
Put your hands up and so let's have some fun.
Hey, today is our end date. It's just yesterday that we entered the academy.
Yes, I remember my first day in academy. I was too scared.
Run. Put your hands up and so let's have some fun.
Remember, friends, first act session, I met you all there.
Hey, do you all remember those 6 cultural value drives?
Technical training helped me to learn and understand the languages like C, C#, SQL, Java, etc.
So next comes is common language specification. It is nothing but, as already we discussed, that the Docker framework supports multiple languages.
Personally, I feel that CAT 4.0 is made in such a way that it will help people from non-IT background like me not only to survive but also to become the top of the team.
Hey, John told us that Cognitors will help us to become cognizant orators.
Yeah, it's true. Really, it helped me to come out of my shell.
How can we forget our exams?
People from same batch, please don't sit together. Change your place.
ध्रुवन्ते राजा वरुणो ध्रुवन्ते नो बृहस्पतिः ध्रुवन्त इन्द्रश्चाग्निश्च राष्ट्रं धारयतां ध्रुवम्.
Initially, I was really worried, but with each exams, I got more confident. At last, I realized it's there in me.
Remember the behavioral training? It was so much fun.
This particular behavioral session is meant for grooming yourself into better corporate professionals. And you will be covering up 5 modules on the whole. 5 modules in the sense, first module is going to be your business etiquette, and the second module is going to be on your communication. So when you talk about telephone, what are all the do's and don'ts? For that we have a module, and completely to focus on telephone do's and don'ts. And then another module is obviously to focus on email etiquette. Teamwork and interpersonal skills, the most important module, or in simple terms, client interfacing module. For that, your clients, how to interface with your clients and what is clients according to client, according to Cognizant, and everything else will be covered in that particular module.
Actually, service line training made me understand how to apply what we learned, and it was super awesome.
The service line is a one train. Until now, we learned a lot of technologies and we learned a lot of languages, we know it, but we don't know how to implement. So that time what we wanted to do it, we have to analyze the requirement when we wanted to implement it. We have a certain procedure, based upon the procedure only we have to implement we have to start the works. It's how to construct, how to design, how to testing, those things we wanted to learn.
Even a mentor played a crucial role in our transformation. The reason why I say transformation is he made us do some activities like teamwork, having fun at work, and even he took us on a flow walk to MAPS. He showed us how things actually happen in business unit.
Hi batch. Hi. Is your mentor manager? He has come to introduce you.
Hello guys, I hope you're doing good.
Yes.
I'll give you an insight about your verticals and business unit. Here, you all are empowered to innovate.
Hey Shahid, enough of dreaming, get back to work.